I guess congratulations for making a lot of money for seeing something or investing quite early in the cycle.
Here's a stock that's been on fire in recent months. Is this pretty much...
We are looking, Joe, for a strong jobs report with at least something of a bounce back.
Tired of hearing people making money online, yet you don't know how they did it? Knowledge is power. And to make money online, you need to get the right information at the right time so you can make your move. The News Spy is our most advanced piece of software, coupled with our expert panel of analysts, giving you that crucial edge of knowing what's going on. The software scans hundreds of news sources online, fetching data, forming patterns, and then our expert panel translates this into trends, which you can then use to make money, big time. The experts make money by always ensuring they are one step ahead in knowing what's going on behind the scenes, and then act on it. The News Spy is a game changer as it finally gives you that same advantage, just like the big boys you see on TV. Join thousands of smart moneymakers by registering today and take your first step into a whole new world of opportunities. No upfront payments. Be the next person that shows up on CNBC talking about how you saw the trend in advance and made millions. In order to ensure our tool provides maximum results for our customers, we are only providing a limited supply of licenses. So get on board now, and we will have an expert call to help ensure you're all set and ready to go. Don't become that old grumpy person filled with regrets. Be the moneymaker and live life to the max.